everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Indian Heritage Art Series, we will experience unique art form that known as the scroll paintings of the East. It's Paitkar painting from Jharkhand. So to see this beautiful painting and to know the stories about it, you must watch our video till the end. It's Paitkar painting today. Friends, the boundaries of Indian art are so large and rich that it takes days and nights to discuss over it. Its beauty and its underlying meaning fascinating people since over centuries now. And there are so many types of folk arts in India that we don't even some of the names also. Imagination Gallery, always trying to show you the lost or little known arts of India along with the famous ones. Today we bring you another time the scroll paintings of the East. It's Paitkar painting from the state of Jharkhand. You kind of like the previous Paitkar painting video, which was published on 1st February 2021 last year. We published it and you kind of somehow liked it. So we today have again brought to you Paitkar painting. And with this, we will pick into the daily lives of tribes in Jharkhand and see how it is to do a beautiful scroll painting in an easy way. Let's start the endeavor. Friends, in this folk art, we will see how simple a tribe's life is actually. As we can see, they are waving baskets. Some of them are cooking also, and one of them are waiting for the rice to be harvested. So kind of daily life which a tribe have in Jharkhand in India is seen done in an easy way as it is to be done. Paitkar is a traditional scroll painting of a small village Amadubi in Jharkhand. The word Paitkar is derived from the local word Patekar or the Pata artists of the region. It is known for its narrative tradition and performance. The painting reflects the realities of day-to-day life, mythology and legends prevalent in their society. The vertical scroll painting today survive mostly as a part of postcard art for the tourists. Themes are really interesting and unique in Paitkar painting, friends. And we can observe the three major themes they follow. One is the social themes such as fairs, festivals of the tribes such as Karam Puja, Dansai, Baha, etc. The second theme can be seen is the religious themes based on the Hindu epics Ramayana and Mahabharata and other religious texts such as Mansha Mongol, Durga Pada, Kali Pada, Data Karna, Nauka Vilash, etc. Also depicted are the themes from Santhal mythology such as Pilshuhara and Pilshuburi. And the third, which can be seen, is the contemporary issues are only depicted when sponsored by the government. The characters of Paitkar painting is also very unique, At first when you look at that painting, it seems to you kind of childish. But it's not the painter cannot paint that particular figure or something, but the painting itself is a very childish look. The painting itself has for a childish look. And it is a vertical scroll painting. The common themes are the human life after death. The style of this scroll painting is derived from the Pandulipi, which was earlier used by kings to send messages to other kings. Kind of letters, There is no perspective in this painting. Thick lines are used to make the elements of the painting. The Paitkar painting are an important part of the Santhal tradition. As the tribe does not have any written history, the oral tradition going as back as the origin of mankind. Traditionally, the artists use natural water-based color. They have a narrow color palette consisting of red, yellow and blue. The artists create the other colors using the primary colors. The division of space in the Paitkar scrolls is not even also. The human characters occupy the most of the scroll area, with the faces depicted in profile or semi-profile. They have elongated eyes, big eyes, a characteristic of most Indian paintings. These traditional paintings, tell the stories of the miracles performed by the various gods and goddesses like Shiva and Durga. Paitkar painters usually make use of only primary colors as said and get the secondary colors derived from it, mixing it. And red, yellow, blue with the palm leaves acting as a base. The Santhal tribe of the state believes that the Paitkar paintings can send wandering souls of dead people to heaven. Paitkar paintings are traditionally done in a scroll style with a series of pictures that tells you a tale. It is gradually losing its shape and surviving in the tourist industry as a single frame painting only. But this very unique and interesting scroll from the East has a very long history that may be traced back to the culture of the adjacent state of West Bengal. The story begins during the reign of King Ramchandra Dhal, who ruled over the Dhalbhumgarh region. A group of 22 Paitkar painters paid him a visit and were quickly apprehended by his men. They were brought before the king and represented themselves as the painters and singers who traveled from place to place doing performances in exchange for the stuff. When they performed in front of the king, he was so impressed that he requested them to paint her queen's bedroom. The painter did an outstanding job, which pleased the king much. He gave them a permanent plot of land in exchange for their constant singing in front of the royal court. And these Paitkar painters have since settled in the Dhalbhumgarh's Amudubi hamlet. After that, they were given a surname Gayan because of their singing skills. But they gradually changed their surname to Chitrokar. Gayans are the singers, are known as Gayans who can sing, whereas Chitrokars are known as Chitrokars because they can paint. Although the terms Paitkar and Chitrokar are interchangeable, most artists go by the surname Chitrokar, even if they are not related. The Chitrokars were once from the Navashak, and which is the group of 9 castes, and were degraded because they refused to obey the usual criteria of representing gods according to the Brahma Vaivarta Puran, ancient mythological literature which is. Hence, one of the most ancient schools of painting in the country, Paitkar paintings are a creative expression of the state's folk art. The tribal artists in Jharkhand who have fostered this art of scroll painting that has long been used in storytelling performance and also in socio-religious custom. In time, Paitkar painting has almost lost its elongated version and surviving as a postcard art in tourist market. But do you think that success is not just the number that is hidden? It is the effort which shows the success. And we, Imagination Gallery, means we always try to bring to you the lost or diminished folk arts of India, because only we can take that forward. We all. Are you with us in this endeavor? Let this be one family. Let's color and paint the life with Imagination Gallery. So hope you liked and enjoyed today's experience of Paitkar painting. Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session and do not hesitate to write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you an amazing week ahead. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye for now.